guys, we welcome to you to another monthly catch-up, season 2, section 21. So we've talked about this from last month that we'll be making this. They are 8 in number. I've started. As you guys can see, all the shade of the color. We have the black, we have the blue, we have the purple, we have the red. Here, this is the black, the blue to the purple. This is the red. Then these are all the color we have. Then we have the hash. Yeah, this is the hash. So right now I just came. Everywhere is still dirty, littered. I've started the work few days ago, so right now I just came to continue. Anywhere I stop, we'll proceed from there, and probably you guys will see a little bit of time lapse, different angle of what we'll be doing. So today the intention is for me to start fixing all this accessory, like the lock there, the D-ring, the slider, then the magnet. Okay, no, this bag does not use magnets, none of it. The zip, the lock, the D-ring, the squaring too. So those are the things that we're fixing today to all the 8 bag and the handle. Then the back feet here, the back feet I will be fixing those. So you guys will learn and see everything the way I will be doing it with all the process. I hope you learned something from this, and I will see you as I proceed. I will try my best to film a little bit of the time lapse so you learn a little bit from this. See you at the continuation. So guys, we've continued from where we stopped as of the last time I filmed. So this one are all ready. We've come all the lining, all the gusset. These are all the gussets on the decks here for this particular bag, which is that one there, and for the other one which is there as well. As you will remember, I said we'll be making 8 of this bag. So these are 4. The 4 is in the other parts there. These are the zip stopper for the zip, and those are the handle I also make, because initially, as of last month, when we make some, we make double handle. So from there we get extra handle like the hash, the black, and I think the pink, the purple, I mean, we have extra handle. So instead we make 1 pink handle, 2 blue, and 1 purple handle, because we have 1 extra purple handle and 1 extra ash handle and the black handle. So I will just continue with the rest of the activities now. Anyone I can show you, I will try my best to keep you guys updated so that you learn from this, and we continue with the rest of the activities as it goes. Keep watching for more updates. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. Give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it and learn from this. For those of you who are still interested in the online training, it's pretty much available. We can have one-on-one, and we can have it in the group, and you can also buy the package from our mini sites where you can purchase the packet and it will be sent to you privately. And for those of you also interested in the physical training, if you are close by from where we are, you can apply for that as well and come learn with us. Thank you guys for watching. I will continue with the rest of the activities now, and I will come back to show you after we are done, so you see the outcome result. Mind you, all these items you see us producing, all this bag, are for sale. No matter where you are in the world, no matter the country you are, if you are in Nigeria, if you are in any African country, or maybe the Western Hemisphere, the UK, US, Canada, Australia, the Middle East, no matter where you are, even if you are in the China, no matter where you are, you can order for this particular bag and it will be sent to you, and it will get to you in under a week, or even I think just 5 working days, because we ship via UPS sometimes, and with UPS and what is this one called again? DHL. Yeah, for international shipping we use those 2 companies, but for the local shipping within African country or Nigeria, we use other companies which are very reliable, and they deliver on time. So enough talking, guys. See you at the continuation. So guys, welcome to another day in making of the monthly catch up. As you guys can see, this is one of the gussets for the bag, the black one, the black and orange. This is the gussets. So these are the one we've made so far. After like I think this is the third week right here. This is the third week. This is what we've made so far. Hopefully we'll finish very soon, but I still have one of these to make, which is that particular backpack that's there. But I will try my best. I will see what I can do within the month before the month finish. But this one, I'm almost through with them. Even this one we have here, I think probably I might finish it today or not. I don't really know, because I just came back now to check up something, and I left this about 2 days ago. I've made this for like few days now, so it's just this one that is left. But whichever way it goes, finger crossed, I hope I will finish it as soon as possible, then come back to show you guys with the next one we'll be working on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this design. The design is a little bit simple but also complicated, because it has so many pieces that you have to put together, and if you are not like on point, you might do mistake, might not even get what you are trying to create at the end of the day. But you can try it out and see how it looks. When you try it, you can chat me on WhatsApp and send it to me. Let me see the picture and correct you guys, or maybe give you guys a hint till you try it. If you don't try, don't come to my DM. But when you try it, I will try my best as much as possible to put you through, so you learn something like this. Okay, see you guys later. So guys, a quick one. I just came now to do a quick course. As you guys can see, this one, it's one zip but with double with a divider inside. As you can see, it's a divider. This one, it's double zip, so it's two side with just like this top lid, which is the top cover. So, and also I make this drawstring bag. It's for a client. I just remember, because I'm supposed to deliver this to him on Monday. He called me about 2 days ago, so I just remember today and I ran to the workshop to just make it. So I just finished fixing this. Now you guys have watched from the time lapse, but I don't know if I will be doing anything again this week. Even this one I say I will be making, I don't know if I will be able to touch that again because I have a lot and I have to go on a short, not vacation, like a business vacation. So that is just what I have to do. So maybe after then we'll proceed with the rest of the making. And this one, I hope you guys really enjoying this and you've learned something from this particular one. I don't know. Okay, did I even start the video from the beginning how I start cutting it? Because I don't know if I can use this as a thumbnails for the video itself. If it's possible, I just use this as a thumbnail. Yeah, I can use that as a thumbnail. So you guys have at least learned something today. So that's just it, guys. That's it. I don't have much to say again. I'm even short of what. I don't even know what to say exactly. I don't know. Have I shown you this yet? I can't recall showing you this. I think I did a time lapse, but I can't recall showing you this. So apart from this one we just make today, the drawstring, and the drawstring too, the inside is black actually. So this is how I designed mine. These are all the bag we've make, the black, and these are all the rope. I think I've talked about it. Yeah, I've talked about it. I just remember now because I made mention of the rope with the string, the long strap, I mean the one we've make already, and the extra one I make for this particular design. So guys, enough talking. I really appreciate you guys who have watched to this level. It means it shows the dedication you guys have for this video. For those of you who are interested in learning, you can chat me in the comment section, or maybe send a WhatsApp. The link will be in the description if you want to learn online, or if you want a physical class, or if you want a personal class. All are available. Give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, you get a lot more from this channel, because when we upload a new video, you might not be aware that we've uploaded a new interesting video till you come back, or maybe remember to come check. But once you subscribe, you'll be notified. Share this video with people you know it might be of help to them, so that they can learn from something like this. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on the process I've been doing for the whole of the monthly catch-up, and if you want us to bring back our weekly updates, so let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, we have a lot of things we've done on this channel before that we stop. It's not as if maybe we stop, but the time, like the Learn With Me series, the weekly update, and some tutorial I normally do and upload frequently. If you want that, comment in this comment section down below, and it depends on the likes I keep getting on each video now that will make me to determine if I'm to bring those interesting things back, so that you guys can learn more. So let me know in the comment section, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. See you at next month's catch up.